I am Jennifer Bozeman. I'm with Stricklin and Porter. We are here at 7180 Roulieri in the garden lots of Claremont Community. This home is almost 1,800 square feet. It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath with an office. What I love about this house is the archway when you walk in, the nice, natural, bright sunlight coming in through all of the windows. It is a true split floor plan. You've got 2 bedrooms on one side of the house and a master on the other side of the house. In the kitchen, you've got white oak. It's a nice contrast with the white cabinets with glass display cabinets along the top. It has a commercial gas range. It also has a gas fireplace. Near the garage entrance, there is a large mudroom and lots of storage and built-ins in the laundry room. If you're interested in getting a tour of this home, please call Stricklin and Porter.